Hi, I am making this quick video on how to use ChatGPT and Perplexity in combination. A couple of days back, I made a video on how to use Perplexity, and after that, the amount of messages on email and WhatsApp I have received is is so high that I thought that it's better for me to do a live demo one more, where I'll be using both ChatGPT and Perplexity in combination. Okay, I don't think so that there is a need for me to make this video, but the kind of queries I am facing, I thought that it will be better if in case I make a video, because responding to each and every query becomes very tedious and time consuming, and at times becomes very, very difficult. So guys, this again I am taking one of my cases, live cases. So this is a case where there we have got an order of demolition against a hospital which is running in a illegal building. Now in that hospital, so against there is a order of municipal commissioner to demolish that building, against which the the owner of the hospital has gone for appeal with the divisional commissioner of Gurgaon. Now, in that, he has taken a plea that since other shops and hospitals are also running probably in an unauthorized way in his vicinity, so why is he being singled out? Okay, so this is the I have to submit written submissions, which I have of course drafted, but I thought that to demonstrate the ChatGPT and Perplexity in combination, this would be an ideal scenario. So scenario is that there is a argument which you have to counter, and you do not even exactly know or correctly know how to phrase it so that you can search a judgment of Honorable Supreme Court or High Court on it. So how will you use these AI tools? So that is what I am going to demonstrate. Okay, so the initial part I have already done. Okay, so what I have done is that I have given this query to ChatGPT, that in the matter. So of course I had given the brief of that matter in details prior to this message. So now the query to ChatGPT is that in this matter the offender has taken a plea that others in his vicinity have also flouted the regulations. Since no action has been taken against him, why is he being singled out? And is this a valid defense? Now, of course, we all know as advocates that it's not a valid defense, but I am taking this purely for the sake of demonstration. So, ChatGPT says that no, this is not a valid defense, then it gives a legal position. Now, here is where the problem of ChatGPT comes, that whenever it gives the citations like this, you're never sure that is if this citation is genuine. So one way is that either you go on Google, then struggle to find this judgment, and if in case the judgment doesn't exist, you will really struggle a lot, because you will not be sure whether this judgment actually exists or not. So and here is where this perplexity comes into picture. So you go to Perplexity. I have not even logged in right now. So I'll give this, and I'll say that now, first of all, it will search. So now you're seeing, it is just showing where all it is searching. So case mine, we know it's a genuine site. Lex, I don't know. Okay, but it's in case mine. So now what we are sure is that somewhere it does exist, that this case law is there. That's one. Second thing is that it also tells you the source from where it is pulling the information. So it has pulled out all the information. Fine. I'm not getting into the merits. Now, what I am interested in is that ChatGPT has said that the Honorable Supreme Court held that merely because others have committed a wrong, the petitioner cannot claim a right to continue in illegality. So this is what I have to verify. So I'll just go to Perplexity. I'll put this and we'll just write what it says. So it confirms that yes, the Supreme Court in Isha Ekta Apartments Cooperative Housing Society has held that merely because others have committed wrong, the petitioner cannot claim a right to continue in illegality. That is exactly what I wanted for my argument. Now, of course, I knew this, but I thought that it is a good thing for, especially for the younger ones, who are at the nascency of your career. uh, it will be a good you know sort of an example. Okay, so one judgment we have verified. Then it says that there is another doctrine of non-discrimination does not apply on illegal acts. So there's a judgment. So I'll just pick the entire text and put in perplexity, and now I'll give the command. Could you could you verify? So the answer from perplexity is that in case of state of Odisha versus Mamta Mohanty, yeah, this is the case. Supreme Court indeed ruled that no person can claim negative equality by asserting that an illegality committed in another case should extend to him. So that also again favors my case or favors my argument. So there is one more. Let's check this as well. Copy, we'll just paste it here and again give the command. uh, what command? Let's change it a bit. Okay, so what did the Supreme Court hold in DDA versus Anant Raj? So the way it is giving, so it is a genuine judgment seems. So assuming that I'm still not sure that answer which perplexity has given is helps me, okay. But my actual query was that mere non-action against others does not prevent authorities from taking action where illegality is established. So I guess uh, picking this and giving a command. In case of DDA versus Anantraj, Supreme Court held that mere non-action against others does not prevent authorities from taking action where illegality is established. So, uh, to my surprise, I have never seen ChatGPT giving me correct judgments as citations in the first attempt. Normally, it doesn't. Maybe it's learning from perplexity. Anyways, so again, now what? So this is also the brief background of the case which I have already given to the ChatGPT. So what I have done is that I have given the background of the case to ChatGPT. I have done a little bit of research also, which I have now verified on Perplexity. Now I'll say that. So give me the final written submission uh, with submission rebutting the above plea taken by the offender. So offender has taken this plea of discrimination in action against him. So which I want to rebut in my final written submission. So I've just given the command. I'll say that. So I've also instructed to add the above case laws because I don't want it to give new case laws, which again I have to verify. So I don't want to take that pain. Okay, so it has given me the written submissions. Now I also know that there is one case which is the actual law on the unauthorized construction, which is the judgment of Rajesh Kumar Barjatia versus UP Awas Vikas. That's the landmark judgment, and I'll ask ChatGPT to even add that. So I go back to the main window. This judgment was referred here. I pick it from here. I'll say that. So now you'll see it is updating the written arguments. So finally, these written arguments are there. There are more facts to be added and more legal background to be added in this. But this is how I use both ChatGPT and Perplexity in tandem. So I guess this video will be able to quell all your queries on Perplexity and how to use it along with ChatGPT. So it was just a short, quick video. Hope you like it. Thank you. In the end, I would like to inform you that my book, Dr. Death Simran Chawda murder case, which is a day-to-day count of from investigation to trial of this case, has been published. It's available in the Kindle edition, which you can buy it for about 125 rupees from Amazon.in. Not from the Amazon app, but from the website Amazon.in. The book is also available in a paperback edition uh, from Amazon.com. I have tried to elaborate every single step that I have taken, which led to the success in this case for issuance of summons against this accused doctor. So, guys, I'll be happy if, in case you make a purchase of this book, either in the print form or at least in the Kindle form.